we're heading out. We're leaving the White Cliffs of Dover, heading over to Calais.
Hold on, what you saying, the White Cliff? I don't see, I can't see nothing.
You taste it. You taste it.
How we talk about who taste it? Because really and truly, I used to all this anyway.
This is pure almond milk, cheaper and healthier to buy from the store.
We can't do this, yeah.
Hi there, we're Siobhan and Hugo, a married couple on a mission to see if we can really live on £140 a week while travelling from Dover, UK, all the way to the south of Portugal in our camping car. So far, it hasn't exactly gone to plan. We had to cut our time in France short for two reasons. First, we forgot our LPG cooking gas adapter and couldn't find one anywhere. Then after filling up with what we thought was bad fuel, we ended up racing out of France to burn it out and headed straight to Spain. To make matters worse, one of my bucket list stops, the lavender fields, was a letdown. They'd already been cut because of the hot, dry weather. So join us as we continue our journey into Spain to see if we can get back on our budget, sort out our fuel, and finally get some cooking gas. Welcome back to our channel, Into It Travellers. I'm solo travelling down the mountain today to this beautiful lake. It's our first day in Spain, and what a beautiful welcoming this is. I'll just show you. So we're in the northern part of Spain. We've decided to do something different this time. So as we crossed through the south of France, we came through Perpignan and we came up to the top of northern Spain. And instead of doing the east coast, which we've done quite a few times, and we've also travelled the centre of Spain from Portugal over to the eastern part of Spain, we decided to keep it north. So we're going to go from northeastern Spain across the top, over to the west part of Spain and into the top of Portugal. And this isn't bad for our first day and our first park up. I left Hugo up at the van doing some editing, and I came on a little exploration and I found this beautiful place. So yeah, maybe I might have a dip. I'll check it out first. Here we go. Woo! I can honestly say that was delightful. Really, really, it wasn't cold, it wasn't cool, there was a slight warmness to it, it felt fresh, and I can see people having loads of fun on the boat over there. So I better head up, back up to the van before you guys starts to wonder where I am. Oh, beautiful day, first day in Spain, fantastico. Well, we hope it works. We have just reached, we're in Spain now, our first gas station has had LPG, so let's hope it works. Have we done that?
It must work.
It must work. Is it on the other side? Wait. Wow. So this little coconut travelled all the way from Lidl in France to España.
Remember, if it is a little bit more greener, it wouldn't come out.
What do you mean greener? Oh, because it's dry now.
It will dry.
Yeah.
That's if it's good.
I hope it doesn't mash up our one and only knife that we've got for cooking.
Like I'm here anyway. Come closer to the microphone. Like I'm here anyway. What else can I say again? I don't remember what I did.
Do not try this at home if you have not done this before. Using a knife so freely. Oh no, don't say that.
No, you know.
Oh, I want to smell it. It looks quite rancid.
Yeah.
No.
Maybe from it. Well, still you can maybe eat.
You can make body oil out of it. Here, you eat it then.
Every time we buy coconut here.
Yes.
Because hardly anybody buying it.
Because it's so old.
Eh?
It's travelled.
I don't care because of what me.
No, I mean it's travelled from wherever it grew to France. I'm not talking about the travelling here. It looks rancid. Let's see.
Well, if you're hungry.
Are you hungry?
Are you starving? Let's see.
Mm-hmm.
No, you don't want to eat. You want to taste it?
No.
Oh, taste it.
Oh, gosh. It can eat.
Okay.
You can taste it's in the process of... This is what they would make coconut oil from when it's like this. I can taste coconut oil in it.
You know what you could do?
Right, you can try that then, can't you?
Roast it on the grill.
Roast it?
Yeah.
Maybe.
On the fire.
Toasted, yeah.
Yeah.
We'll keep you posted.
Anyway, many people just don't know how to open this coconut anyway. This is it work anyhow with any coconut dry.
Let's just see that. Look how perfect that is.
You know, but because it's extra dry, why it come out so perfectly. But still, I should have mentioned it anyway. It always good if you just knock it around.
Because that loosens it.
Yeah. But the best part of it, don't knock it like this. Don't knock this part around here. It's the other side and up. To get that perfect cup opening.
You learn from the master. How does it taste toasted?
Right.
Better? Much better toasted. Dinner for tonight. A little sneak preview. Yeah. Yeah.
We're having a great time, you know. And for the first time yesterday, we buy like a solar water bottle anyway because you know we don't have a shower inside our small like a micro camper van there, right? And we test it out. And yeah, it was a nice like a shower because it's quite warm enough anyway. And where we are, it's such a nice, peaceful park up anyway. There's not much people here today. Yesterday when we come here, you know, there's a few cars here, but there's not much people around because they're all out in the lake.
Hola, hola. Buenos dias. We are heading into Little Española. Let's see if my card works this time. I have made plans for it to work. I've actually screenshotted the QR code. So we shall see. Yeah, see what it's like. Alrighty. we are stocking up on fruit. We've got our plums, we've got our apricots, we've got our kiwi, we've got our mangoes, and we are looking for... What are we looking for? Grapefruits. If you're wondering why I use so many bags, it's because we reuse them living in the van. So it's something that they're plant-based bags in Lidl anyway, but we do reuse bags. Organic tomatoes, and this is the difference of Spanish Lidl. All of these vegan products. Happy girl. Hold on, we're going all over the place. Let's go over here. Other than tofu, this is going to be our only little processed food. A couple of tofu sausages. This is not easy, filming and shopping and trying to keep Hugo with me. He's got the trolley and I'm picking up things and trying to find him. Where has he gone? Yeah, it's in the snack aisle. We usually have buckwheat noodles, but we're going to try these rice noodles, Española style. We've got service here. Hey?
95?
Yes. 95. E5.
Full?
20? That's it. Woo! I remembered what 30 was. So this is our first time putting petrol in. We're only going to put a little bit of petrol in because we've been having problems with the gas, as we've been talking about. I'm just trying to get my shoes on at the same time. So yeah, we want to see if it really is a gas problem, having bad gas in the last time we filled up in France to get over to Spain. So we shall see. I will keep you posted. We're not doing cliff jumping today. It's not. Trying to go for an evening swim, but it's a little bit too high. As you go trekking back through the bush. Yeah, I'm not into cliff diving, those days are gone. I just have to track back up. A little park up. That's where we are. And there tomorrow morning. We're going to try and find the path down to that little rocky beach that I just showed you. We've got to find it first. You won't believe it's 9 o'clock in the evening. Yes, so on our adventures we go. Let's see. Like an adventure in the jungle, but we're up a mountain. It's like Robinson Crusoe down here. Look at this, it's crazy. this is all fallen. I'm glad they're twigs and not bones, because it could look like a boneyard. What you can't see is where we are camped. Here we go, doing his balancing act. God, this rock doesn't look real, does it? Looks like... Whew. Look at this. Well, this looks like a good enough place for me to go and have a little dip. Oh, there you go. That's where we're staying, right up there.
Crocodile, crocodile, crocodile.
There's no crocodiles in Spain.
Oh, you know that? Oh, you know there are no crocodile? Eh? You don't know where crocodile live?
No crocodiles in Spain.
Who said that?
I know that.
Them escape from the zoo. We know where the zoo is.
And they won't be swimming in this lake.
Why? Crocodile going to sea as well.
It's bad enough having those big fish in here mentally.
See me now. I don't want to go to those water there because me can't swim. Might as well don't say I can't swim anyway. But no, I don't like this type of water. See? I know if you can see the bottom of it. Or dry rock. Much better. For me, safer. Water have no sense.
As our journey takes us through the stunning mountains of northern Spain, we stumble upon this charming little village. Here we meet a story that we have no doubt his name will be famous one day. Noah, a 13-year-old French boy travelling in a camper van with his grandfather, a self-taught magician, his hands full of wonder, his heart full of dreams, and if you can, please follow him on Instagram and help his magic reach the world.
Your card is the Jack of Spades.
Junior?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Nice.
So, can you touch any card?
Mm.
Look at the card.
Should I?
Can I can see.
You cannot see.
I can see.
You can see.
Yes.
All right.
Jack of Spades.
Yeah.
Because it's your card. I tell you it's your card.
Yeah, Jack of Spades.
Remember,
Yeah.
I put the card in the deck. And
Yeah.
I can shuffle like that, like the French shuffle,
Yeah.
American shuffle.
See?
Okay, I can do I don't know English shuffle. Jamaican is like that, I think.
Yeah. Yeah. No.
Oh.
Anyway.
Yeah.
And can you tell me stop? Stop. Take the card. It's the same.
G.
In your hand, please. And I will put the Jack of Spades in your hand. Put your other hand like that.
Okay.
Okay. I will put the Jack of Spades. Can you just? Okay. I will find the two jokers. Where's the first? There. Where are the first jokers? And the seconds, I will do that with magic. I think there. No, look at your hand. Yes, the joker.
See there?
You have to say yes.
Yes.
When you choose an okay.
Yes. What's the card that you will choose?
King of Diamond.
I don't know if I have the King of Diamond.
Oh, yeah.
Can you help me to find it? Can you just touch a card? I don't know. Can you? The King of Diamond?
It's very good.
Yeah.
Okay.
No listen.
I have the King of Diamond, and I know I can. You can choose a card with the Jamaican shuffle. Tell me. Oh, tell me stop.
Boom, stop.
Ah, again!
Again.
It's not very good. I will try it. Yes, with the Morgan dollar.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want to examine that? Okay. Can you put
Card anywhere.
on that? Okay. And so the Morgan is normal.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Can you give me your hand and you put your other hand like that? Okay. Can you? Okay. Don't move. I put the dollar in my hand. Look at the deck. Look at the deck. On the deck. In the deck. A coin. Look at the card under
the card
the
underneath, right?
What was your card?
The CM King of Diamond.
You are really good.
Thank you.
So you have to say your name to the camera here.
Yeah, say
Yeah.
name that everyone can know this
Yeah.
genius.
My name is Néon Magicien. You can follow me on Instagram.
It's alright. It's
Fine,
alright.
so what's your Instagram?
It's Néon NEON underscore MAGICIEN.
Lovely. Yeah.
Thank you.
Check him out.
So you can follow him on Instagram,
Yeah.
as he mentioned. He's a great young talent, you know. Check him out.
He's going to be very famous. Yes.
Thank you. Bye bye.
That's really good.
Welcome,
Really, really
welcome.
good. Really, really good.